So the one, and that's still the legacy one from 2006, is what we call the Superplasma. As you see, I'd like to start off in explaining you a little bit about how we see head protection.
Yeah.
So if we take a KASK helmet, a very important aspect of it is that from inside in the interior, you will always see that we're not working with a classic suspension system, but we work what we call a 360 EPS, that's in high density extended polystyrene inside, providing 360 protection all sides of your head. So just a little bit about the standards that go with our helmets. The traditional EN397 is what we call, let's say, the umbrella standard for everyone that's working in a construction site or any kind of industry, meaning that, you know, the main protection that will provide is from things falling on your head.
Right.
But what happens a lot is that people will fall, slip or trip from medium heights, and that doesn't protect at all. So what we have in every helmet we have is the EN397 with always the clauses from the EN12492, which is mountaineering, inside our helmets to prevent exactly that. What we want is that people suffer from TBI, traumatic brain injuries,
yes,
when falling, slipping or tripping.
Fantastic. So those standards are built in universally across the range?
They are built in across the range, absolutely. The only thing that prevents it from being absolutely both is that the retention strength of the chin strap needs to be just about twice as strong with the 12492. So there you need to make a choice. But as far as front and rear and lateral impact goes, every EN397 helmet will have the standards from the EN12492 built in for people that work in traditional construction and in industry sites.
Brilliant.